everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell, I am Blossom from the Powerpuff Girls. So I really wanted to do this look for the longest time now, because when I got this wig from my mother-in-law, she actually gifted this to me, I was like, oh my god, I need to do a Blossom look, because I don't know, it just reminded me, I guess the bangs and I don't know, the color of it just reminded me of Blossom from the Powerpuff Girls. So this is who I am today. I'm going to fast forwarding this video. I'm not going to be talking in it or anything. Hope you enjoy videos like this, and I'm going to be doing a lot more videos like this because Halloween is coming. So spooky season is in the horizon. I smell it. Also, growing up, I was always Blossom from the Powerpuff Girls, whether it was with my sisters or my best friends. Yeah, I was Blossom from the Powerpuff Girls, so I just had to do this look. I also had very red hair when I was in high school. If you are watching me from high school, don't you remember those days? Ha ha. Well, anyways, if you want to see how I create this Blossom inspired look, then please keep watching.